Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to reset your home screen layout. As you can see here, that my home screen layout is different as I've arranged it myself. I have a different background and the placement of the widgets is different as well. So if you want to reset it, then just follow along my steps and I will teach you through it. So the first step I want to do is open the settings. Then on settings I want to scroll a little bit down and then click on general. On general, I want you to scroll all the way down and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Then click on transfer or reset iPhone. Then click on reset. Then there are multiple options like reset all settings, reset network settings, but the one you want to click is on reset home screen layout. So clicking on this button will reset your home screen layout and you can arrange your layout as you prefer, or you can keep widgets and application as you prefer. So this is a quick and easy way about how to transfer or reset your home screen layout through transfer or reset iPhone. Thank you for watching these videos. If you liked, please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you want more videos, then please be sure to share our videos and subscribe for future updates as well. If you have any comments or questions, please leave it on the drop box below. It's me Elise signing out. Thank you for watching.